Mang Inasal is just owned by a young man who came from a poor family, probably a marginalized family from Rojas City. But this young man, when I saw him, had this passion oozing, and he was full of confidence. Despite his lack of financial resources, he had the dream already in his mind. So much so that he even put his college studies at stake. Did not finish college. He accepted that fact. But he compensated. He knows exactly how to compensate. So he started looking for professionals. He started looking at his people who are from the barrio and empowered them. And together, they work as a team. They're all young at that point, no, at that time. But they believe in that confidence level of their product. Because they know that they'll be faced with so much challenges. First of all, they're not original. They're from Iloilo. Bacolod is the original. So they know exactly. But because of their teamwork, and I always call it as, together everybody achieves more. He, together with his team, was able to bring out that kind of creativity and success. All his suppliers were turning him down, from the chicken to the rice to the calamansi. Everybody was turning him down because he was young. He had no track record, no bank to speak of. That Lola, who apparently had a need, to as obligation to her grandchildren, whose parents abandoned them, literally abandoned them, and Mang Inasal was there to support and buy all his calamansi. It's a win-win strategy. He needed calamansi, she needed income.
How did they find each other?
Through the public market. That time on, he knew exactly what's the meaning of helping other people. The barbecue sticks comes from the barrio. The tables comes from the paraplegics. The drop lamps come from the NGOs. So even his chicken, some of his chickens are coming from the backyard poultry raisers. Imagine the amount of chicken that they started from probably 1/4 ton. Now they have about 75 tons a day that they consume. Now there is another set of management, and he's still part of it. No, he's the vice chairman, but he has other focus now is into land development in Iloilo, because Jollibee is there already taking care of the baby. The baby is already grown up, so the professionals, more professional services are being done. Clients can be emotional and say, just like your kid getting married, and the kid becomes part of the other family. For Injap, what he feels is that it's all for the benefit of everybody. He himself couldn't believe that within 7 years, a company, a giant at that, will be willing to look at him and pay that amount. In fact, that's for the record, actually.
Yeah.
Jollibee never paid that much. I guess he was seen as a competitor. Yes, he was seen as somebody who's taking some share of the market. I guess he's also, I guess if you can't beat him, buy him out. I guess